Here I've got Poptel P8 and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, then scroll down a bit, locate and open battery. Now go to battery saver and you can quickly activate it by tapping on this switcher and then deactivate it the same way. Or you can also set up some rules, so simply click on turn on automatically and now select 5 or 15% of the battery. So let me pick for example 5%, and from now on every time the battery is slower than 5%, then your device will be automatically booted into this mode. You can also have a quick access to power saving mode through the upper bar. Simply slide it down, locate power saver, click, and that's it. As you can see, now your device is in power saving mode. As you can see the red edges, that means that you are in low power solution. And then if you'd like to switch off this mode, click on the same icon one more time. And that would be all. This is how you can use power saving mode in your Poptel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.